Welcome guys. So today we are going to talk about how we set environment variables for PostgreSQL. Okay, so let's go to this PC. You need to open this PC, right click or anything. Here you also see properties, and then advanced system settings, environment variables, and then you need to use this the variable system variable name path. Then you need to edit, and here you need to mention the bin directory for PostgreSQL. So let's see where's that. It's I know I have that in my program files. When you install it, you'll see that here. Program files, PostgreSQL. This is the version name, version number 12. Okay, and then you see you have bin. Okay, so we need to copy this and enter this in here in the path. You need to add new and then paste it here. I already have it, so not going to paste it again. Okay, then after you need to do OK, and that will be saved in your path. You need to enter one more variable name here, which is pg data. Okay, you need to enter pg data here. Okay, and then you need to enter the data directory for PostgreSQL, which is just about this folder above bin. This is data. Okay, so copy this and paste it here. This data directory will help you in running starting and stopping cluster of Postgres. Okay, and the bin directory, the path for bin directory, that will help you in running all the Postgres utilities like create db, create user, drop db, drop user. So you'll be able to access init db, so you'll be able to access these utilities or anywhere from your system. Okay, so that's how we set up the environment variables, and that's why these are required. Okay, so thank you, and I'll be talking to you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.